Hey, Bayek, it's me, Ian. Well, I've got these Blu-rays. I've come from eBay, as usual, bargains, and, well, you know what it is. I've got them, so I'll open them up, and we'll have a look where it is. Okay, so I'll do this one first. All right, okay, so we have got this Forsaken. Now, what? It's a Western. Crikey, another Western in the collection. What's happening? I saw this. It was cheap, but what attracted me was the fact, the cast. It's got Donald Sutherland and Kiefer Sutherland, his son, and Demi Moore and Brian Cox. That's a great cast. So there it is. I've opened it up. Cover there. I don't know what it's like, but it just seemed to me such a great cast that I've just had to have it. It's 2015 as well. So there we are. It's very cheap. That's why another thing. Yeah, so that's that one. Right. So we'll open the next one. Okay. This is Die Screaming Marion. It's one of those Peter Walker directed films. 1971, I just don't know, starring the wonderful Susan George. Yes. So I just had to get it. I mean, absolutely brilliant. So there it is as the cover. Those sinister eyes there. Great, absolutely. And the back there. Look at that, fantastic cover. Absolutely wonderful. And there's even some extras as well there, which is good. And then we've got the disc. There's the disc. That's pretty good, I would say. I'm quite impressed with that, yeah. I'm looking forward to that. Yeah. So let's go on to the next one now. What this one is. Oh yes. Now, this one is one I did need to have for my collection. I've got the first three. And this is the fourth one in George Romero's Living Dead trilogy. This was so this one is the fourth one, moving on from that trilogy. This was 2005. Yeah, 2005. And this is an American Scream Factory edition. So there's a note in here. I think it might just be the receipt. Oh, no, what it is, it's protecting. That's nice. I don't often get that. That was put in there because it's got two discs in there and two versions of the film. We've got here the theatrical rated version, and then there's the unrated version. So that's the uncut one. I'll just take these off. Yeah, there's the details there on there. I think even you might be able to change the cover. Don't know, just check this. Oh yeah, look, the covers. That must be the original cover. Actually, it's quite nice, that original cover. There it is. Fantastic. So it's nice to have both versions. But I think it is region A. But that's no problem because I can play region A on there. There's quite a lot of extras as well on here. This is really good. I just saw it. I thought, wow, that's so cheap. Quick, get it. And it had no problem. It would obviously, in some people, be put off because it's a region A. But I can play them. And I thought, yeah, I'll get that. I've not got this one. So, yeah, I've got the other 3 before. So, yeah, that's it. Just pick them all up again to show you last time. There we are. That one, and then that one. There is one more to come. Yeah. So, that's it. Okay. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and we'll let you know when I put out all these videos. And you can check all the playlists and you can see what I do on the channel, reviews and films and TV shows, music. And if you like this particular video, please give it a like. The like gets it into the algorithms and hopefully other people might enjoy it. And if you've got any comments, please put your comments down. I really love to read your comments. And like it or cost note. I'll always answer your comments as well. And that's it. So all I've got to say is, I'll see thee again.